Today, Andy Nasser made $500 affiliate commission. Arpit Singh made $350 affiliate commission. Andy Nasser lives in Egypt. He is a copywriter and he has some other businesses like trading, etc. Arpit is a graphic designer and he has absolutely no time to do anything else. Ilham lives in UK. She is a busy mom and she has a 6 to 6 day job. Absolutely busy. She has no time to do anything extra. Earned $350 commission. The same day, Arpit made another $250 commission. My brother from another mother, my dear friend, and my business partner, Yogesh, earned $200 commission. Yogesh is super busy with his 7-figure digital marketing business. No time to do anything else. Andy Nasser made another $635 the other day. And Usman has a 9 to 5 day job, lives in Turkey, and he loves to travel. He traveled 150 countries, completely busy, and he doesn't have time to do anything but earn $947 commission. And this is just one of the many commissions he made. Now, all these commissions were possible and easy for our members because our program is 99% done for you. I did not mean we give them money done for you. I said we do all the technical work for them. So there is no barrier, no technical hassle. Nothing stops these people from making money. And if you want to learn about our program, how we run an AI-operated, automated digital marketing business, and we help our beginner members with the 99% done for you system, then watch this training. This training is completely free to watch. The link is in the description below. Go watch this training. And after watching the training, if you have questions, chat with this AI agent. This AI agent will give you all the information. It is trained to speak just like me. But if you want to speak to me one-on-one, simply DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. The link is in the description. Go watch this training anytime you want. We publish training videos like this every single day to help people like you who are busy, have a 9 to 5 day job, don't have a lot of time to learn and do everything yourself. We try to make it comprehensive and bite-sized at the same time. We try to make it step by step as much as possible, and we need a favor from you. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way we can hit our goal of getting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and you can be notified when we will upload our next money video. And if you think these videos are good, feel free to share with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. Let's go. Now there is one important point. Is this a get rich quick scheme or is this too good to be true? Unfortunately, there is no get rich quick scheme. These guys do exactly what Chinese AI companies are doing. It's the same exact fundamental. Chinese AI companies? What is that? Well, I'm sure you already know about DeepSeek.com, but have you heard of Qwen Chat? DeepSeek have been generating only text, but Qwen is also giving you image for free, even AI videos for free. Unbelievable. So before we go to why these Chinese AI companies are giving away everything free and how you are going to make money, and why am I even talking about my program members, and why am I even trying to have you watch this video, I'll give you all the answers. Stay tuned. First of all, let's watch this video.
Check out these videos. I created all of them for free using AI, and as you can see, they look amazing. If you run a faceless YouTube channel...
Wait, we're not here to talk about a faceless YouTube channel. This video is actually showing you how this Qwen Chat AI works, how you can create image and videos using this application. I wanted to try, but unfortunately in my region, this video generation is not yet available. So I went back and looked at this channel. It looks like they have 20,000 subscribers and all the videos they made are faceless videos. Wait, don't think that you know everything, and don't think that I'm talking about YouTube automation or faceless video automation type of stuff. No, I'm giving you the fundamental that our students use and make commissions like this, so you can do the same. Now at the beginning, it sounds weird. Why a Chinese company giving away access to AI for free completely while every other companies are charging money for AI use? Secondly, why these video creators are emphasizing on free applications, making free videos every day? How are they making money? If you give away free stuff, then you attract more freebie seekers and more broke people who are not able to buy from you. As a result, you will not make any money. Yes, this is true. But at the same time, if you always gatekeep your stuff, only thing you want is money, then the customers will hate you. That's why money is divided into two parts. One part is free and one part is paid. The free works for marketing. This way, You attract customers like a magnet. Give away something for free and your customers will come and have a look at what you're giving away. And then you can sell something paid. Okay, let's talk about cars. Cars are absolutely paid, but test driving is free. Now, test driving is limited to the people who visit your dealership. How about the people who haven't visited your dealership? For them, you make content, entertainment, race, tournaments. All right, the ultimate paid solution is the car itself. So why are these Chinese AI companies giving away free access to their super expensive AI platforms? Because when you use AI, they learn from your use. They learn about your psychology. Why not? Let's ask AI. Why is QuenChat free? Well, I don't know what this is. This looks like programming. It's a bit weird, but here is the answer. QuenChat is free because it is part of Alibaba Cloud's initiative to provide accessible AI tools and services to wide audience. By offering QuenChat for free, Alibaba Cloud aims to promote AI technology, encourage the adoption and understanding of AI technologies among developers, businesses, and individuals, foster innovation, enable innovators and creators to build new applications and solutions without financial barriers, gather feedback, collect valuable user feedback to continuously improve and refine the model, build community, create a community of users who can share knowledge, collaborate, and contribute to the development of AI technology. Now you see, all these are all about learning from the users, having users use their platform more and more. And just like the cars, when they get a lot of people use their platform for free, they can sell something later. Okay, in another way, we can say there is something called information and there is something called tool. So either the tool is free and information is not, or the information is free and the tools are paid. In either case, you make money when you sell something and when people buy something from you. Okay, now these videos are free. They're talking about a free AI model. Then how are they making money? If you look closely, they're getting views, but these views are not enough to make a lot of money. But here is something interesting. Most of their videos get 900, 2000, 1000, 1500 views, 1600 views. But all of a sudden, some videos get 500,000 views. This video got 478,000, 217,000, 131,000. This one video got 32,000 views. How to convert photo into video using AI for free. Another free AI. Right. And of course, you understand, it drew a lot of attention. So a lot of people will find the link to this software in the description. And when you click on it, you basically click on an affiliate link. This affiliate link will take you to this website. And when you sign in, you will get to use 100 credits for free. So it is free, but not 100% free, because 100% free doesn't make any sense. It doesn't help anyone. It doesn't make anyone money. So some people will love this program, will continue to use it, and they will eventually subscribe to their paid option. And then these guys will earn an affiliate commission. So all the videos you see right here have one objective, and the objective is to get serious paying users. Try one or more of these applications through the links in the descriptions of these videos, make sales and make money. Along the way, they are providing high value information. You get to know all these amazing applications, how you can use them. And of course, whenever you find something useful that you want to subscribe to the paid version, you can go ahead and do it. That's exactly what our members do. But in their case, their life is extremely easy because they do not make the mistakes that this video creator is making. So what is that mistake? You see, when you attract viewers with an information about free application, etc., you will attract a lot of complete freebie seekers, complete broke people, which is not bad at all. I'm just saying that broke people do not make you money. People who don't have the mindset to spend money for learning education or spending money to buy valuable tools, they're not helpful to anyone. So when you attract a lot of viewers who would just want to watch some videos and learn something something for free, get something for free. And when they click your link, they visit the website directly, and that's all. You simply leave money on the table. There are so much information, so many videos, so many content out there. People can watch all day long, all week long, all month long, and all year long without ever watching the same video twice. Do you think they will remember your links? No, they won't. So these visitors who visited your website or your video just now, they are also watching hundreds of other videos. Let's say this is your video. Once they watch other videos, they will forget about you. And the only way they will remember you when you remind them, "Hi, I am here. Remember me? Come join me. I got another video for you." Now, when they listen to this hi, they will go and watch your next video. And now there is a chance they will remember you. But hey, they're going to go and watch other videos as well and forget about you. Now you have to say again, "Hey, I got another video. Come and watch." When you knock their door, they will go to your video and watch again. And eventually at some point, they will spend money and you will make money. Now, what do you think? Does it look like you can contact and recontact and market, remarket, and follow up with hundreds, if not thousands of people manually while making content every day? It's quite impossible. That's why we use automated AI-powered money-making system. And this system is called marketing funnel. Now, don't ask me what is a marketing funnel, because in the video below, in the description, in this video, I explained what is marketing funnel, automated money machine, with an easy analogy, a super easy and simple example. You will never forget when you watch it. Go watch it. So back to this AI-powered automated funnel. This funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 commissions. So again, these a follow-up or saying hi to the audience is done automatically. Let's go and try something new. Click new chat, and I'm going to click image generation, and I'm going to copy the prompt of a story I got written by ChatGPT. I'll use this prompt and see what kind of result I get. I want 9:16. Go. 10%, 20%, 30% image generated. Looks good so far. 80%. Wow, that is absolutely not bad. How about the second one? Click. Looks like it's super fast as well. This is great, except this was not hyper realistic. So I typed hyper realistic and hit enter again. Now let's see if this cartoonic image changes to hyper realistic or not. Oh, it is hyper realistic now. That is so cool. Now there was a part in the story where the rabbit finds a shortcut. I want to see what happens with this image. And yes, this text was what I was looking for. Now this one image was tricky. I tried with multiple other applications. The squirrel tangled in thorny vines. None of them did a good job except ChatGPT itself. I want to try this here. I must say this is crazy good. I must admit that. Guys, if you're still watching and not trying, you are missing out. Okay, now I want to try something else. I want to try this story, and I want this more engaging and funny for 4-year-old children. Well, that's a mistake. I just asked AI to create an image. So it was totally confusing. So I'm going to copy this, paste it, but right now I will click artifacts, or I'll just deselect everything, paste it, and hit enter. Cool stuff. Now we're getting the story rewritten for 4 years old. Oh, that's a long story. Good one. Now I want the AI to write detailed image prompt to create hyper-realistic images on Midjourney. Let's go. This is going well. I'm not gonna wait here. I'm going to copy, Ctrl+C, and go here in QN and see what I get. Wow. Did you see this image? Let's try the second one. Isn't this cool? Why not we try this here on the same chat? Click image generation 9:16, and I'll ask one by one, create the images one by one from the above prompts, and hit enter. See what happens. Does it create the images one by one all by itself? The first one is done. How about the second one? Okay, draw the... Now I'm going to use a prompt where I can change only one number every time and it will work as a new prompt. So use the prompt and draw image 2. Next time, I'm just going to say image 3. Good one. Let's go image 3. That is fast now. This is great. This is the one where Sammy the squirrel darting into a dense patch of thorny bushes. Now we want the image 4. Okay, that's a bit weird because he has 2 heads. So we want to regenerate. Okay, this is a good one. Now we can use this story. We can use these images to create videos, create social posts. Now all these should serve as free and paid. Free should work as marketing to attract paying customers, and that's how we make money. So before we end this video, I'm going to show you another software that we have been using. This software is not free, it is paid, and that's why it works to create videos without going to other places. Let's go and watch this video first.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, Sammy the squirrel loved to race.
In case you didn't recognize, this is me, the AI version, without shooting the video with my face on the camera.
His friend, Toby the turtle, challenged him to a fun race to the big oak tree. Easy, Sammy chuckled.
Before I created another version of me, but this version is a bit weird, yes? Look at the vibrant colors. With this software, it's super simple to create videos like this. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button so YouTube can notify you when we will upload our next video. For more money videos, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.